Hello everyone, my name is Sahil and you're welcome to my channel. After finishing my semester exams, me and my family went for a beach trip. As I live in Pune, Maharashtra, beaches are quite near to us, approx 4 to 5 hours. To reach Konkan, the way is filled with mountains and hills comprising of scenic waterfalls and monsoon, lakes and woods. Often this mountain pass is called as the Tamini Ghat. After 2 hours of journey, we took a halt at a restaurant. The restaurant too had a scenic view from its windows. Witnessing this was a pleasure for the eye. This restaurant had one of the delicious meals I have ever had. We started with a starter and then the main lunch, that is fish, which is my favorite. After lunch, I took some photos of mine and then we left for a further journey. Soon, we were able to see some coconut trees. Once the coconut trees' steep roof houses are evident, we should consider that Konkan has arrived. As lockdown was going on due to COVID-19, roads were empty. It was the first time I saw such empty roads in a tourist place. Journey through these empty roads was astonishing. After 2 hours, we reached our destination. We took rest for some time and then I went to the nearby concentration of coconut trees, often called as Wadi in Konkan. Walking through this wadi is always an amazing experience. Wandering the farm, I saw a pineapple plant. It was probably the first time I saw this plant. There was a pineapple on it which was reddish in color. I began thinking how it would taste. Further, there was some group of banana trees with no bananas. Yes, there were no bananas on them. Going ahead, I saw a tree with a bunch of chikus. Those chikus weren't ripe, so I was not able to taste them. Then my parents called me and said that we have to go to the beach, wear your beach clothes. After being ready, we headed towards the beach. We were lucky to witness the sunset. Apart from going barefoot on sand has its own appeal, it has some health benefits too. After a long walk, we finally reached the beach. The seashore was so huge that it was giving a feeling of a huge playground. Then I took some photos of my mom and dad and then keeping our phone aside, we sat patiently to witness the sunset. Hearing the waves splashing was a treat to the ears. Next morning, the best part was the sunrise. The second best part was the rides which I did. The camel ride. This ride is often called as the sofa ride. In this, a balloon sofa attached to a jet ski and it takes us deep inside the sea. As lockdown was going on, there was not much tourists. So the ride salesman convinced us to do all the rides in low cost. This was the first time we did all the rides. I felt a bit sad as there was not the paragliding ride which was my favorite. It is me sitting on the jet ski and riding it. Doing adventurous things is what I like the most. Then we did the boat ride. In this ride, the sailor takes us deep inside the sea where no land is visible. Often people see dolphins porpoising in the water. They are undoubtedly friendly with humans. After some time, we left for our hometown. In the way, I ate a dosa. After reaching home, I uploaded the Taj Mahal painting. And that was a small trip. Thank you for watching.